To create a Phantom wallet. Now first of all, open the Phantom app. Now after you open the Phantom app, tap on I agree the terms and service and tap on create a new wallet. Now here, as you can see, if you want to continue with email, you can tap on it, and if you want to continue with a seed phrase, you can continue with it. So select one of these. I will select the seed phrase. Now as you can see, if you want to enable this device authenticator, you can. So adding the biometric security, we ensure that you are the only one that can access your wallet. So if you want to enable it, you can enable it, as you can see. And now you need to set up a authenticator. So I will just tap on next, and here you need to copy this phrase. I will just take a screenshot of it to be able to provide it in the next step. And now after you copy this seed phrase, tap on OK. I save it somewhere. As you can see, tap on yes. And now as you can see, you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. Tap on get started. And now as you can see, your wallet is ready for use. You can receive, you can send, and you can swap, and you can buy. So this is how to create a Phantom wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.